Welcome to Clarity Unlocked. What if I told you that your entire life could begin to change in just 7 days? Not by chasing motivation, not by buying another self-help book, but by mastering one powerful skill: Stoic resilience. Right now, the world feels noisy, uncertain, and overwhelming. People are reacting more than thinking, quitting more than staying grounded. But those who practice Stoicism, they move differently. They stay calm when things fall apart. They focus on what they can control. They don't just survive, they grow stronger under pressure. And here's the truth: you don't need years of training to tap into that power. You just need 7 days. 7 simple practices. One each day, rooted in ancient wisdom, sharpened for modern life. In this video, I'll walk you through a 7-day Stoic transformation plan, day by day, lesson by lesson. By the end, you won't just think differently, you'll live differently. But before we dive in, take a quick second to subscribe to this channel. If you want more content like this, clear, practical, and powerful, hit that bell icon too, so you don't miss what's next. Now, let's begin day 1 of your Stoic journey. Imagine this: you're stuck in traffic, you're late, you're frustrated, and there's nothing you can do. Most people get angry, honk, curse. But the truth is, no amount of yelling will move the cars. Epictetus, a Stoic philosopher, said it best: "Some things are up to us, and some things are not." This is where your Stoic journey begins, with one of the most powerful realizations of your life. You can't control everything, but you can control how you respond to everything. So today's lesson is simple but life-changing. Draw the line between what's within your control and what's not. Let's break it down. What's in your control? Your thoughts, your actions, your choices, your attitude. What's not in your control? Other people's opinions, the past, the future, traffic, weather, luck. Most people waste their energy fighting the things they can't change. But a Stoic? They focus that energy on mastering themselves. Today's task: whenever you feel stressed, stop and ask, is this within my control? If it is, act with calm, reason, and courage. If it's not, let it go. Reminder for the day: control your mind, not the world. This is the foundation of Stoic resilience, and it starts with awareness. Tomorrow we move to day 2, where you'll learn how to control your emotions, even in chaos. Think about the last time you got angry. Did it help? Did it solve the problem? Or did it just leave you drained? Stoics believe that emotions aren't the problem. Being controlled by them is. Seneca once said, "You may have to fight a battle more than once to win it, especially against yourself." Today is about building inner strength, not by avoiding emotions, but by understanding and mastering them. Here's the truth: emotions are natural, but reactions are a choice. You can feel angry, but not lash out. You can feel anxious, but still act with courage. You can feel hurt, but not break. The Stoic mindset: feel it, pause, then choose your response. Let's be clear. Mastering emotions doesn't mean becoming cold. It means becoming calm in the fire. Today's task: emotional pause practice. The next time something upsets you, pause for 3 seconds, take a slow breath, ask, is this reaction useful? You'll be shocked at how often that small pause saves you from a big mistake. Example: your friend says something hurtful. You feel the burn. Pause. Instead of snapping back, you respond with, "I'm not sure what you meant by that. Can you explain?" Just like that, you take back control. Reminder for the day: you don't have to attend every argument you're invited to. Emotional control isn't weakness, it's elite self-mastery. Get ready for day 3, where we'll step into the world of discomfort and why it's actually good for you. Imagine this. You wake up early, take a cold shower, skip your usual snack, and by doing this you feel stronger, more focused, and in control. Sounds strange? Welcome to the Stoic secret: voluntary discomfort. Marcus Aurelius, the Roman emperor and Stoic, often reminded himself, "The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way." What does that mean for you? When you choose small discomforts on purpose, you train your mind to handle bigger challenges. It's like a mental gym. Why is this important? It builds grit. It sharpens self-discipline. It teaches you that discomfort is temporary and manageable. Today's task: try one small discomfort. Here are simple ways to practice. Take a cold shower for 30 seconds. Skip a meal or snack. Walk instead of drive. Turn off your phone for an hour. It's not about punishment. It's about growth. Real life example: athletes don't just train their bodies, they train their minds by pushing through pain and discomfort. You can do the same with your mind. Reminder for the day: comfort is the enemy of progress. Choosing discomfort today builds resilience for tomorrow. Get ready. Tomorrow, day 4, will change the way you see problems forever. Ever felt stuck, overwhelmed by a problem that seems huge? What if I told you the problem itself isn't the real challenge? It's how you see the problem. Stoics believed that your mind shapes your reality. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "If you are distressed by anything external, the pain is not due to the thing itself but your estimate of it." Put simply, you can choose how to view any situation. Why does this matter? Because changing your perspective can turn stress into strength and obstacles into opportunities. Instead of thinking, "Why me?" try asking, "How can I learn from this? What's the lesson here? How will this make me stronger?" Today's task: reframe 1. Problem: pick one current problem or stressor. Write down your usual reaction. Now write a new response that sees the problem as a chance to grow. Example: you lost a job opportunity. Old view: I'm unlucky, this is a failure. New view: this is a chance to find something better suited for me. This simple mental shift can change your entire day, even your life. Reminder for the day: it's not what happens to you but how you react that matters. Tomorrow, day 5, will dive into gratitude and acceptance, 2 powerful tools for peace. In a world that pushes us to always want more, Stoics remind us to pause and appreciate what we already have. Seneca said, "He is a wise man who does not grieve for the things which he has not, but rejoices for those which he has." Gratitude is not just about feeling good. It rewires your brain to focus on abundance instead of lack. But gratitude alone isn't enough. Stoics also teach acceptance, accepting what you cannot change without resistance or frustration. Why acceptance? Because fighting reality drains your energy and peace. Acceptance frees you to focus on what you can improve. Today's task: gratitude and acceptance. Journal at the start or end of your day. Write down things you are grateful for, thing you accept, that you can't change. This simple habit trains your mind to find peace no matter what. Example: grateful for good health, friends, and a roof over your head, accepting that the weather is bad today and you can't change it. This mindset reduces stress and builds resilience. Reminder for the day: happiness grows where acceptance and gratitude meet. Tomorrow, day 6, we focus on purposeful living. Discover how to live with clear values and true intention. Have you ever felt like you're drifting through life without a clear direction? Stoics believed living with purpose is the key to a fulfilled and resilient life. Marcus Aurelius said, "At dawn, think of what a precious privilege it is to be alive, to breathe, to think, to enjoy, to love." Purpose gives your days meaning and your actions power. It helps you stay steady when life throws curveballs. How to find purpose? Start by knowing your core values. What matters most to you? Honesty, kindness, growth, courage. When your actions align with your values, you build an unshakable foundation. Today's task: define your core values. Take a moment to write down 3 values that matter most to you. Then think about one small action you can take today that reflects those values. Example: values: honesty, learning, compassion, action. Speak honestly in a difficult conversation or help someone in need. This small step connects your day to your deeper purpose. Reminder for the day: a life lived with purpose never feels wasted. Tomorrow, on day 7, we'll wrap up with a powerful final practice: how to keep Stoic resilience alive every single day. You've made it to day 7, the final step in your Stoic transformation. But this isn't the end. It's the start of a lifelong journey. Stoics practiced resilience every day, not just when life got tough. They built habits that kept their minds sharp and steady. The secret? A simple daily routine of reflection and intention. Today's task before bed: ask yourself, what did I do well today? What challenges did I face? How did I respond? What can I improve tomorrow? This practice trains your mind to learn from every moment, turning experience into wisdom. Start your day with a purpose. Pause before reacting. Embrace small discomforts. Reframe problems as opportunities. Practice gratitude daily. Remember, resilience is not about never falling. It's about getting back up stronger every time. Final reminder: waste no more time arguing about what a good person should be. Be one. Marcus Aurelius, you now hold the tools to transform your life. Use them wisely and watch your world change. Thank you for joining this 7-day Stoic journey. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing content.